So this is a thing. Manny, what do you think this game is gonna be about?
Granny. I'm fucking terrified.
Look at that! Look at that face! Anyways, I'm guessing there's gonna be ads. We'll find out. Darker? What does darker do? You know what? No, we'll leave it off. Difficulty normal. Let's do easy. Granny moves a bit slower. No creaking floors. Opportunity to get a bonus day. You know what? Screw it. We're doing normal! Be quiet. She hears everything. Keep in mind that if you drop objects on the floor, it creates sounds. Press and hold the remove button. The remove button and free yourself from bear traps.
Oh shit.
Hide under beds or in cabinets. You have 5 days. Oh, of course. Use headphones for best experience. Well, if I use headphones, Manny wouldn't be able to hear. Get out of there. You only have 5 days. Yeah, I read that. It says it in the tip. All you need is in the house. Be quiet. She hears everything, and
Granny's crazy.
Good luck. Who's talking to me, by the way? All right. So we're loading. Okay. So yeah, this is a thing that me and Manny wanted to do on Steamboat Media for.
Oh shit.
Oh. What happened? Are you guys still there?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh shit.
We don't know what happened, but the screen went dark. Okay, so... Oh, that sensitivity. Oh, this is gonna look great. What's this say? 5 days? Wow. Can I touch this? Can I touch this? What's this? Oh. Cool. Oh my god. Manny, I crap my pants. Oh my.
Fucking dropped an
The door was closed. The door was closed. Okay, good. I'm scared.
You're utterly fucking terrified.
I'm staying here forever now. What's going on out there? I'm guessing I have to leave this room, huh? Does it still say 5 days? Okay, yep.
Oh, I know what you're supposed to do.
What am I supposed to do?
You gotta drop that vase again and then hide in the closet.
Oh! I'm gonna get in the closet first, obviously. I'm stuck. Okay. Wait.
Close it. Shit.
Okay. How did we not hear that? How did we not hear... Oh, Jesus Christ.
Do you want to play hide and seek?
Oh shit.
Do you want to play hide and seek?
You want my gumbo?
Ah, yeah! You're still there! I thought she was gone!
Oh, the way she
I'm glad she was turned around, Jesus Christ!
The way she fucking walked.
I didn't expect this to be actually scary, Manny. I'm scared! I'm free! Ah! She's coming! She's coming! Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, Jesus Christ! Close the door! Oh, God! Ah! Ah! Jesus Christ! It didn't even that ad scared me more than. Oh, can we skip it? Oh,
Hold on, let me try this one.
oh, man, it's scary. It's scary, man. It's scary. Man, he's playing now.
Oh, fuck. I didn't know he'd be legit fucking terrible.
I didn't think it was. I thought it was a crappy game. Is the door unlocked this time?
It's always gonna be unlocked.
Are you, maybe it's unlocked. Where's the thing? Okay, get in the closet first. Get in the closet first. Get in the closet first. You're missing it. You're missing it. There we go. Drop it. Close it. Okay.
You wanna suck my dick? I'm only here for two things.
Let's suck some hard candy. And suck some dick. Okay.
Oh shit! Yell that
She's
fucking,
right there.
fucking face.
Dude. What?
Oh yeah, I want to get in that pants right there. Look at that saggy ass.
Okay. What was that?
Those are meat cleaver.
Okay. Okay. You can exit the thing now. Exit the closet. Hurry, dude.
Hold on.
Dude, if you don't exit now, she's gonna come back up. There's a bear trap.
Oh,
She's coming! She's coming with a bear trap! She's coming with a bear trap!
Oh shit! Oh my god! Yo! Oh fuck!
Maybe we shouldn't have played a horror game for our first gaming thing. Alright, it's day 4.
Oh shit! This is legit fucking terrifying. Like no lie.
Alright, I'm
You
back.
should have waited. I told you, man. Oh, there's blood. Why?
Maybe. Oh.
Period. You can hide under the bed. I didn't even fucking know.
Oh! I got an idea. It'll be completely different this time. She won't find me. Alright. It's completely different to why she's walking over here. Hello.
This bitch is crazy.
Yeah, of course she's crazy.
Where are
Yo, this is legit fucking terrifying. Like no lie.
Ah! I made her nice!
You got fucking scared.
Oh wait, no, that was her dropping the bear trap again.
I feel like you should drop the item on the bear trap.
Gosh darn it! Gosh friggin' darn it! She dropped it in the door!
Fucking bitch. The last day.
Shut up!
God.
Oh, I don't like it! I didn't... Where's the thing now? Oh, the thing... Okay, Ah! It made a noise! Go back! Okay, she's coming.
Maybe it's because it's by the doorway. She dropped the bear trap.
The table spawned in there!
Yeah.
What's that?
It's a candle.
Turns around, she's right fucking there.
Maybe you should drop the item on the bear trap.
Nuts! 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 Nuts!
She a blind motherfucker.
Okay, I think we're good.
Bitch yeah.
Like, this is genuinely terrifying. Okay. Okay, we're good.
I'm about to nut.
The bear trap's gone.
Go inside that room, I think. Is that a fucking closet? Fucking creaky floors. Oh shit.
She didn't see me.
Oh shit. Oh fucking shit.
Okay.
I think we should have chosen easy.
Yeah, I think we should have chose easy mode too. You know what? Screw this. Lady, come here!
I think she had a fucking baseball bat.
Oh no, I'm in Grandma's sex dungeon. She's gonna have... That's the music from The Conjuring! Ah! You can't just jump scare you after you die! Get out of here, you stupid animal. And that was the incorrect way at playing Granny. Maddie, how'd you enjoy the game?
It was decent, and I fucking jump scared.
The first time, though. Anyways, guys, that's about it for this one. Expect more of these coming in the future, because these ones are apparently more exciting and also scary. Let's not play a scary game next time, okay? Alright. Anyways, guys, see you later. Whatever. This was Steamboat Media doing stuff.